Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Nahmadu wa nasta'inu wala umuri dunya wadin. Wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajmain. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Rabbi shrah sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli, amma ba'du. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jenny Syadakana Sintias. I'm the student of MA Modern Al-Azhari. The Honorable Chairman of this presentation and all respectable audience. All the praise be to Allah, the Lord of the universe. Blessing and praise my everlastingly be upon a prophet with no prophet after him, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and upon all of his families and companions. In this special time, I want to deliver a speech about a safe during the COVID-19 pandemic. What do you want to be? Do you want to be a success person in the future? I believe that everybody has a dream, so that we must have the effort to make that dream come true. Even though we must learning from home during the COVID-19 pandemic, we must always keep spirit to be the good student. We must be disciplined to study and complete all the tasks given by our teacher on time. If we don't understand about something, don't be shy to our teacher. Don't be lazy, because study is very important for us, so that we can make our dream come true. Let's pay attention to social distance and do the health protocol. I will end my speech by reminding everyone again that the government has done so many things during this difficult time, so please follow the rules and regulations that we made. Not to be brilliant, study hard, work down, and learn truly. Take in more, pick up information more. Thank you so much for everyone attention to this matter. Remember that everyone is important and each of you can make difference. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.